Hello traders, in this video I am going to give you the trusted review of the Exness broker that I am using from 2015. So please make sure that you are going to watch this complete video. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you that I am using this broker from 2015 and it has never cheated me. The good thing about Exness is that it is one of the regulated brokers and never had problems with any kind of withdrawal issues, never had that. Okay, and if you look at this part, you also have a live chat option here. This is very good about the Exness broker, that once you have any issues, you can simply connect them with their live chat, okay, agents. And also the managers that are going to that will be in contact with you, they are very helpful, and they also provide you with some good sessions. Okay, right now you can see the recent withdrawal that I have done in my local currency on 4th May, that was yesterday. So you can see that 102,088,00, and you can see the other withdrawal, and there are a lot of withdrawals, and I have a full history, like it is giving me a lot of things, like you can see these are my withdrawals. You can see that it is basically providing me like this. Okay, so I'm basically doing the withdrawals very well with this. And the second thing, first of all, let's talk about the account types. Okay, the most important and the most good account that I personally use is the standard account, the first one. Okay, this is the highly recommended, because in that account you do not have to pay high commissions. This is very normal for good trading, and you can see the spreads from 0.3. Okay, first of all, let me tell you that I have given the link of that broker in the description in this video. If you are a crypto trader, if you are a forex trader, and you are looking for the honest broker that provides you with the quality platform for trading, so you can definitely use it. This broker is widely used in Asia, like Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Qatar, and also it's very famous in India, Pakistan, and all other areas. Okay, so if you are from Thailand and other in such type of countries like from Asia, you can definitely use this one. And you can also go to the live chat option, and you can also contact them and ask them that either they are going to support your country or not. However, it does not support the US citizens, and also from the some parts of the Europe as well. Okay, so let me tell you my personal experience. I basically use the standard account. That is very useful. However, if you are a beginner trader and you do not have the experience with trading, you can work on the standard cent account. That will be micro lots, like in $1 you will have 100 cents. Okay, and the raw spread and zero. But personally I will not recommend it, but I will recommend you highly with the standard account, that is the normal account that is most popular into the Exness broker trading. And the second good thing about the Exness broker is that if you do not have any kind of knowledge, then you can also go into the social trading. If you put your investment, you can go and you can scroll the app. This is also available on Play Store. You can join this app, you can put your money, and you can choose any investor. Like here on the screenshot you can see that this investor, that is name in the name of Earn Money, it has 5% risk, that it does not risk more than 5%, and the growth level is 88%. The eyes of eagle, 73% growth. So you will be going to find a lot of traders who are actually making money from the forex crypto market, and they are already trading, and all you just need is to put your investment under their account. When they will make money, and you will also be going to make money. So this is my personal experience. I will make the next videos as well on that broker, because this broker is kind of a mind-blowing thing for me, because it is providing me withdrawals from 2015, never cheated me. They have a proper support system. Their affiliate managers are very good in contact with me. They have never cheated any of my clients. They are very good, and good thing that you can also Google the reputation that they are one of the regulated brokers, and this is the quality of that broker. So I have given the link of that broker in the description of this video below, and if you join the broker, then it will be very good for your trading health, and you can make good profits using the strategies by investing into the social trading. Otherwise, you can if you are good in yourself in trading, then you can choose for the standard account, and that's my personal recommendation. So please find the link of the Exness broker, right Exness broker. There are some fake websites as well, so do not join any fake website. I have given the real website in the description of this video below. You can click that link, and you can open your account with the proper broker that is widely known for its low level of spreads and high authority broker as well. So guys, what do you think about this broker? You can comment into the comment section. Please subscribe the YouTube channel, share the video, like the videos. Thank you very much.